Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I'm here in a server and it's called Find a Crap, and it's a really nice server. I love it, and I description below, and I'm gonna go on right here. I'm going to school. Sorry, my voice is too little. Like I'm sorry, I'm sick today. So the rules are no saying bad words, no griefing, no asking for C-mode voters, no asking for OP, no advertise brief friendly to players, respect all the staff, no hacking, no spamming, and don't ban without reason for staff. Oh my gosh, I can see him, dirt man. And going to town where everybody else. And this is the town. Ooh, it was abandoned house of Beta. If you greet one more, I will ban you to greet us by Beta. Owner for sale. 200. Oh, you can buy this. You can buy this abandoned house, and you can create. This house is really nice. You can buy these all houses with diamonds and can boat. And here is the fireplace. What is this? Oh, police assess. That means don't you? I think you can build it here and sika. Okay. I love. I fell into food to the food. Wow. Sorry if it is really glitchy. Oh, you can sign here. Okay, you can like the server. Oh, it's like a wedding. Sorry, my family is so messy right now. Yay! It's Sandara house. It's really nice. It's really big. Hmm, I really nice it. I really like the server and I really love it. And I don't know where everybody is and I'm so hungry. I want to go to. Sorry, my mom. The Filipinos. Oh, this is a player. Is Sanzi. Oh, it's McDonald's. I want food, but I don't have money. Drive through. No. Sorry for the first guys. Want food. They don't know where everybody is. And there's a mine here. Christ, King of the Church. It's closed right now. Earlier we have a mass. Okay, ATM. Oh my gosh, ATM. Okay, going to spawn here. Sorry, I hide it because everybody is talking right now. So sorry, guys. And going to mine. So this is mine and clear the filler and this as this review to the filler line. And you can go and donate this over. And for Filipinos, you can. She said for Filipinos, you can go in load, load, and for not Filipinos, you can go in. I think download. You can download the lead donation. And where's that? Okay, here the donation for Pinoys. Sorry, but that I won't say because I think For other country, download lead donation, put the IP of the server and your MSN. Put how much you like. Oh, sorry guys, it's glitch. Sorry. And you're gonna see my FAP key. It's so many server and so many world. Oops, shit. So many server. I don't I don't go to the lobby because I mean 14.1 and it didn't go well, so I'm going to find the crap. Sorry, my auntie is so nice and I see. Oh my gosh, where am I? Oh, I think it's the hotel. Oops, I hear. I mean a server and going to the hotel. I'm so hungry. I want food. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die in hunger, and I will be so slow. I won't even. Okay,
Those Russian
hotel. I don't want to. Okay, oops, sorry. Gonna hide me, sorry guys. Oh, this is the hotel room. Okay.
Why?
It's hotel. You can go right there. And then show you. And there's a second or I think this is a third floor. And Matthew. And the chest doesn't have any food. So I won't steal some.
Yes.
And the fourth floor, I think this is the last floor. Okay, this is a last floor.
Oh.
And I'm so hungry.
Say if you need food.
I don't want to. I don't want food. Just go. Yay, I died.
See? I told ya.
Yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to the. Oh, sorry. Glitch.
Oh,
It's really happened.
every time.
Yeah. This really happened.
And
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the server. I think they're doing download.
how about you?
Okay. Going to the. Going to the.
Get love.
Find the craft.
What is the IP?
Later. Okay, done. What done? Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this here. So thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video and subscribe and don't forget to smack that like button for more videos. Bye!